paid $23 to get one burrito driven to your house. And you tipped. Twice. And no, food did not get expensive. Okay, it did. But that's not why you're broke. You're broke because you outsourced chewing. The average household spent $9,985 on food last year. Yours spent more. I've seen the receipts. All of them. Keep it up for 10 years, and that's $100,000. Eaten. Digested. Gone. That was a paid-off retirement. You flushed it. Literally. So here's the case. 3 suspects. Delivery. The store. And a third one the apps spent millions making sure you never notice. Suspect 1. The delivery app. Your $14 burrito lands at $24. Fees. Markup. Tip. Valet parking for a sandwich. 3 orders a week is roughly $120 a month in pure convenience charges. $1,440 a year. To avoid a 10-minute drive you were going to skip anyway. The fix. Delete the apps. Craving wins anyway? Order pickup. Same food. No fees. No tip. No $9 charge for cold fries. Remember the $23 burrito? Pickup makes it $14. That's about $108 a month back. The court. Wrong episode. The precinct notes your progress. Suspect 2. The grocery store. That's not a store, sweetheart. That's a psychology lab with carts. You shop hungry. No list. And the expensive brands sit exactly at eye level. On purpose. You walk in for milk and leave $87 lighter. Self-audit. Pull your last grocery receipt. Count the things you didn't plan to buy. 5 or more? You're not a shopper. You're a mark. List before you go. Eat before you go. And buy the store brand. Same factory, 25% cheaper, 1 shelf down. Suspect 3. The one they pray you never catch. Decision fatigue. You don't choose dinner. You surrender to it. At 6 p.m., starving. By dinner time, your brain is done, and the app knows. That's when the notification lands. Free delivery, tonight only. A drug dealer with a loyalty program. Hey, real talk for 5 seconds. You're not lazy. You're tired. And nobody handed you a system. That's not your fault. Keeping it this way is. Sunday. Pick 5 dinners. 1 list. 1 trip. Cook 2 in batches. Dinner gets decided when you're smart, not when you're starving. That's about $273 a month recovered. Automated into a broad index fund every payday. And that's your first $10,000 in 3 years. Delicious. Verdict. The apps did it. With your thumb as the murder weapon. Case closed. Book 'em. Next week, your 14 subscriptions stand in a lineup. Yes, I counted them. You pay for 3 you forgot exist. Subscribe or don't. I'm rich either way. But you just tipped a robot $6. So, maybe take the free help.